Good afternoon, everyone, and happy Easter. It's Mark Malika reporting from 4001 North Ocean. I'm standing on the 5th floor of the building, and I started here because I wanted to walk up to the top floor. We have poured the slab for the 6th floor, the penthouse level. I'm looking out over to the north from what would be the C residence on the 5th floor. Looking to the north and panning forward, there are a lot of things in the way, but I'm going to make my way over to the staircase. We're just super happy at how it's the 6th floor has turned out, and even the 5th floor is giving some really long, beautiful views. Walking in the interior of the building, making my way over to the staircase leading up to the penthouse level. It's amazing how it changes from floor to floor. The 1st and 2nd and 3rd floor are now getting the masons are here actually putting on the cement block, forming the residences themselves, while on these upper floors we just have done the slab. Now I'm walking up now to what is the top floor, the penthouse level. We're already starting to go up to what will be the roof line. We plan on having a party of some sort on around May 4th or 5th. That will be the topping off of the roof. But now I'm up on the penthouse level, looking out over the ocean from the 6th floor. Walking out toward the center of the building into where now we're looking out toward the south. We're getting to be over the top of the buildings that are on each side of us. Walking into what will be the G penthouse that's in the A tower, the center front tower. Spanning now to the south. It's absolutely spectacular. Talk about a distant, beautiful view. And looking back to the north, there's a lot of scaffolding and materials in the way, but we'll go over to the north side. But we've reached the top of 4001 North Ocean. See the views in the distance now, looking out to the west. Close with this beautiful view to the southeast. We are ahead of schedule, still looking for deliver occupancy in December of this year. Goodbye, thanks everyone, and happy Easter.